Hello, my name is Andrea, and my major is physical exercise science, and I'm going to talk about the healthy eating plate for my final presentation in English View 1. What is the healthy dish to eat or the healthy eating plate? It's a food guide that is part of the norm of the official Mexican norm for the promotion and education for health in food matters. A healthy eat plate make it easy to identify the three food groups, that is, vegetables and fruits, cereal and tubes, and products of animal origin. And for a diet complete, you need to put all the groups of the eating plate in your breakfast, in your lunch, and in your dinner. For you have the nutrients, the all nutrients you needed. Now the vegetables and fruits provides vitamins, minerals, and fiber that help to the good function of the human body. These are the ones that should consume more with each meal of the day. The cereals. The cereals are essential in your diet and for all persons, for all people, and this is the second group of the healthy plate and is so important to eating vegetables and fruits and then the cereals because they are source to provide energy. Is the principal source to energy. The last group of this eating plate are the legumes and food of animal origin. They are in the same group because they are both are high in protein and provide energy and fiber. But that we should consume these foods in less quantity because they are high in saturated fat and cholesterol. This photo is of equivalence, so they release how easy it is to measure the number of servings you should eat from each food group. And in my conclusion, many people who knows about this to the eating plate, and try to complete with it, and there are others who knows the same plate and do the opposite to what is indicated. And these are the ones who can end up with cardiovascular disaster with greatest probability. And this is all my presentation of the healthy food eating or food dish, and thanks for your attention.